Here's a quick video of these 6 big A fans here in some place here in Casey County in Liberty, Kentucky. There's one right there, 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 one right there. That one right there. Yeah, I can't go on this field here right now. I don't know why, but I don't want to get in trouble. But notice one right there, spinning. Those 3 are spinning so slow. That one right there. Walk down here a little bit. Get a good view. Yeah, that one's spinning. The ones over there are spinning slowly, but these are spinning a little faster. I don't know when these were installed, not long ago, but quick video of these ceiling fans here in here at this place. So there you go.